guys, this is Himansu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how you can create a contact form by using contact form 7, and you can allow your contact form 7 to generate a PDF whatever the form fields there it is. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become a part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, here you can see that when I have a contact us section over here, and here in this contact us section I have a contact form, but that is not a contact form that is you were created using this WP form. So what I am going to do now, I will go to this plugins option and I am going to use two plugins over here. So first of all, click on this add new button and let's search for the plugin name. So both the plugin name, first of all I want to install contact form 7. So just for search over here contact form and you will get a list of plugin name, and first one is this contact form 7 by Takayuki Miyoshi. So click on this install now, and whenever you will scroll down contact form 7 database add-on. Okay, I think that plugin is not coming over here, so it's okay, it is installed. So I will contact form 7, I will search here generate PDF, that is the plugin name that we have to install, generate PDF contact form 7. And let's see what are the list of plugins were coming over here. So here you can see generate PDF using contact form 7 by ZLS Web. This is the plugin that we have to use. So let's install this one. So we have installed both the plugins, contact form 7 and generate PDF using contact form 7. Now once this installation will complete, we are going to activate them. So let's wait till this installation complete, then we will activate both the plugin in a single click. So let's again go back to the install plugin, and from the install plugin you will find one inactive tab. Just click on that inactive tab and it will show the list of plugins that were inactive. So I want to activate this contact form and generate PDF. Let's click on this activate and apply. Once you will click on this activate and apply, it will activate both the plugins in a single click. Alright, so here on the left sidebar you will see we have this contact. So once you will install the contact form 7, you are going to get this contact. So first of all, let's edit this contact form and let's see what we are getting in it. So first of all, here you can see that this is the contact form 1. By default it is coming over here with this your name, and this is the form. And what I will do, I will add this form. So you can add this form using this shortcode over here. So let me go to the pages section, and here I will create a new page. Let me click on this add new, and I'm going to create a new page and I will apply that shortcode over here. So I'm not opening this in a Elementor page builder. I will give it contact form the page name, and I'm going to click on this plus icon and I will search for the shortcode, and I'm going to paste the shortcode over here and publish the page. Now once you will publish the page, let's view the page in a new tab and let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Contact form, name, email, subject, your message. So these are the fields. And now what I will do, in that same contact you will get this PDF with CF7, and we need to select the form over here. So let's select this contact form 1, and it will load all of this, like how many max width of the logo, how you want to enable PDF file operation, what want to attach your PDF in email. If you want to attach, you can attach it, but if you will make it no, then do you want to customize header logo in PDF, then you have to upload a new header logo over here. Then set PDF margin or header, set PDF margin of bottom. This is how you can PDF bottom left footer text. And then this is the message body, where whatever the field you will enter your name, then whatever the name you have given over here in the field, that will come over here. PDF file name prefix, and then PDF file background image if you want to add some background image, and then this is the download file link text. So let's quickly save these changes, and what I will do, I will quickly give the form cmsguys@gmail.com. then subject, this is a subject and this is a message body. Like this, let me paste this text as a many times so that this will look like paragraph, and let's submit the form. Once you will submit this form, please try again later. I think as we are using this in our local host, so might be it will showing some error, so that we need to fix it. Let's see whether we can fix it from here or not. So let me quickly fix this one. So now here you can see that I have already configured. Now if I will click on this submit button again, so it will send, because I have using this localhost, so I need to configure some of this SMTP and all. So now you can see thank you for your message, it's been sent, and you will allow the customer to download your it on a PDF. So whenever someone will click on this, click here to download PDF, then it will download in a PDF form, and you will see like it will open in a browser like a PDF. Let me open that PDF over here, and this is how like the PDF body is going to look like. E-commerce 14 and name, email, and whatever message we have entered, it will open like this. So with this we have easily set up this download PDF in a contact form. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.